Now behind me you can see the city of Wanapum, that I've been trying to clean up the river. It's absolutely full of rubbish. And people say to me it's a culture problem. But I find that really hard to accept, because 50 years ago people had nothing here, but they seem to now adapt it very well to having everything else here now. You see, I'm walking through a shopping centre. It's got everything we have in Europe. Trust me, the prices are quite high as well. You've got all your fast food, your telephones, your television. You even got a stage here where you was doing rap music the other day. And you know, you adapt to everything else, but you can't seem to put your rubbish in the right place. And your excuses, it's a culture problem and everything else. Down to me, it's attitude and pure laziness. You can blame anybody you want. You can blame the municipality, you can blame everybody. If you just start acting together and working together, maybe you'll solve the problem. Please don't blame on your culture.